Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shelly. Today we are doing a weekend clean with me. I just kind of did a mad dash around the house as quickly as I could, got as many things done as I could. You know, I never am able to complete my full list, so we're going to start with the laundry today and then work our way into the kitchen. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're notified when I upload. And then also, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. I would love your feedback as well. Leave a comment below, but let's get into it. Okay, so I have been putting off my laundry for probably a week or two, and I had a couple baskets full of clean clothes that needed to be put away. I'm really good at washing them, but when it comes to putting it away, I struggle. I usually just don't have time to do my own. I'm always doing my son's and doing the dishes and cooking. It gets crazy, but I just did a mad dash. I locked myself in my office and I said, you guys stay out there. I am doing my laundry. It's getting done today. So I'm just gonna fold everything and then hang it all up. And I had a couple baskets, like I said, so we have a couple rounds here. So sit tight. Don't judge these sweatpants, okay? They're comfortable. I know they're ugly, okay? And those dryer balls actually work really well. I don't know if you've tried one, but they're only like $5 for like a pack of them, so you should look into it. And I know this room is a disaster. It's a big eyesore. My closet is just jam-packed full of things. I used to do nails at a salon and I just cannot get rid of it, so I keep it and hoard it in our closet. I really need to organize it and get a drawer system for it so that it's not just on the floor. And then we have a ton of suitcases we need to get rid of and then get new ones. It's just, I don't even know what to do with this closet. And then my desk area is always a mess. I don't know what to do. I need to come up with some kind of system. So that will definitely be in a future video. Stay tuned for that, but it'll probably be a little ways out as it's like the last thing on my list at this point. So eventually we'll get there though. Everything that I'm putting in my dresser, I'm just putting back in this bag all folded, and then I will take it into the room and put it away. I have just a few more things to do in the closet. I really wanted to tidy up my pants situation and make it look nice and pretty, and after it was done, it felt so great, and I don't know why I took so long to do it. It literally took me 2 seconds. Now I'm just going to tidy up my dresser, put my clothes away, and get them organized in the dresser, and then I will make the bed, and then we'll head out to the front room.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop.
And as I've mentioned in previous videos, our bedroom is pretty minimal. I am not in a hurry to really furnish it because when I do, I want it to be kind of perfect and exactly what I want. So I am saving my money and perfectly fine waiting until we get that perfect set. And I don't really know if I want a headboard or just to have like some art above the wall. I'm not really sure how I want to do it either, so I just want to be absolutely sure. And for now, it's super simple to keep it clean and keep up on it, so I don't mind. Now we're going to clean up our toy room slash living room. We always take his toys elsewhere, but we just had his birthday party and he got so many toys. So it's kind of crazy, but we try and keep everything in this 6-bin cube organizer. If you want to see my decluttering video, I will link it above. It's really great. Really shows you how to keep everything minimal and organized for your little one. It really helps us. I find that he, plays really well with his toys the more organized we keep it. Then of course it wouldn't be one of my cleaning videos without doing the dishes. So I'm just going to unload and reload the dishwasher and do my pump parts and bottles, which is the most dreaded task of all. So I am using my Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle for my dish soap. I love it so much. It makes the house smell amazing. I wish I had that scent for the spray and hand soap and a candle. Like, I need it all over my house all the time. I love it so much. What is your favorite scent when you are cleaning? Let me know below. I know some people like peppermint, grapefruit, citrus. I really love having citrus in the diffuser sometimes when I'm cleaning. Lately I've just been cleaning with our candles going, which are more like beachy scents. I'm really into like the coconut islandy scents. Those are my absolute favorite. But now on to the bottles and pump parts. much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's weekend clean with me. And it gave you some motivation to get stuff done around your house. Please let me know in the comments below if that is the case. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notifications and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye guys.